Good afternoon, students. Now I want to explain about some important vocabulary in Hindu editorial analysis. For example, out of words, POCSO Act is gender neutral by design. It must be read as it was legislative intended. 27 lakh workers removed from Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme database as a central government conduct a eKYC. Next, we have to, based on the editorial analysis, we have to discuss about the vocabulary. Must be very important. Undermine. This is a verb. Undermine means to weaken or damage or effectiveness. To weaken, damage. The new rules may undermine citizens' right to information. The new rules undermine means weaken the citizens' right to information. This is very important word. Interceding means occurring in the period between two events happening in the intervening time. That is known as interceding. For example, in the interceding years, many draft laws were proposed. Contours, the outline or shape. The final contours of the law remain unclear. Final shape. Glaring. Glaring is an adjective. This is very obvious, clearly noticeable, and often implying something bad or undesirable. The rules fail to fix glaring gaps in data protection. Glaring gaps in data protection. Clearly noticeable. Glaring means it is an adjective that is clearly very obvious or clearly noticeable. Very important. These are some of the 4 vocabulary. Next we discuss compliance. Compliance means the act of following rules or standards and laws required procedure. The companies have 12 to 8 months for compliance with the rules. The act of following rules. Underpinning, very important. This is a noun. Underpinning, a basis or foundation or supporting structure behind a system or idea. The lack of independence in the system underpinning data protection is worrying. Underpinning means this is a base or foundation. The lack of independence in the system underpinning data protection is worrying. Equivocation. This is a noun. Equivocation means that ambiguous statements are unclear or evasive expressions used to avoid giving a direct answer. Ambiguous statements. Equivocation. The editorial criticizes the government equivocations on data privacy. Next, guzzlers means entities. The big tech firms are major data guzzlers.